Okay, guys. So we're gonna be playing Freedom Facility with one of my friends. Unfortunately, we were gonna do this on the same day we did that piggy video, but TV Man's offline, and we couldn't get him to come play. Well, not play. I mean, like, come and hang out. So, yeah. Oh crap! Am I the only one? Dude, why are these people leaving so much? Oh crap! Beekeep. Be Oh my god, that was so close. That was so close. That was way too close. He out? Yeah, he's out. Great, there's a computer here. I'm gonna dance while I do that. Oh, he was right there. He was right there. He was right there. Oh my god, I just almost died. I almost died. Oh, he doesn't see me, doesn't he? Wait, where's he going? Oh. He knows I'm up here, doesn't he? Also, this is my Craxicord shoulder pet. Let's go back inside. Oh my god, that is lightning quick. He is lightning quick. Go. Go. Holy crap. Oh, you don't see me. You don't see me anymore, don't you? Say like this. And he will not find me. Bro, why is he camping? Oh, he almost got me. He almost got me. Crap. Jump to the window, slow him down. Run. Oh my god, this is such a bad idea to be in here. Go! I don't want this idiot. I mean, no, wait, oh no. Oh my god, why did I say that? I feel so stupid now. Bro, I am so sorry, dude. Oh my god, why did I say that? Dude, punch me in the face right now. Why did I call you an idiot? Oh my god, I didn't mean to say that, dude. BKM, if you're watching this, I'm sorry, bro. I can't. I'm really sorry. Forgive me, bro. I didn't really mean to say that. Let's go to the airport. Oh, okay, fine. Oh, wait, nope, yep. Let's go up here. At Kevin's house. Ah, that's nice. Yeah. We got this. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah, we do got this. We can cook that. We can cook these bait. We can cook the pork. We can cook some. We can cook. I can cook. Oh, this is gonna be good. I'm gonna get them all. Get the balls. You all dead. You're all gonna die. You're all gonna wish you were never born. Come out wherever you are. Papa's back with the milk. Papa loves milk. Where are they? I was just there, just here. Gonna go. This loser. This son of an idiot. Whoever, if that bacon girl did that, I swear. That bacon girl did that, didn't she? Bacon girl dead. Don't call me racist for that. Bacon girl just died. She died of Ligma. I'm gonna stay around here. No, he's not down there, over there. Where is he? Is he up here somewhere? Nope. Oh, he's gonna let her die, isn't he? I already know why. I can really tell. As soon as she dies, she's gonna leave the game. I know. Girl, people like the one that I just caught, the person I just caught, people like her are gonna leave. She's gonna leave, I know. 100%. She's gonna definitely leave in like a few seconds. Oh no, she's not. She's not like Lola. Oh, okay. That makes sense. I'm surprised. I'm not even surprised that BKM didn't even save her, but that's fine. Ooh, 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 he dead. He's dead. You dead. Oh, wait, that was convenient. I'm gonna go to my spawn point and cook. Cook. Let's go. We cooked. Am I? Yeah, I'm level 11 now. Sweet. I thought she was gonna leave. I thought she was gonna leave. Let's go up here. Let's go down here. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, pro gamer move. 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 What's he gonna say now? Yes. Yes, you got it. Yes, you got it. Is your CPU in here? Yes. She gonna. Bro, ain't no way she's gonna get us. Yeah, BK. I like your courage, bro. Ain't no way she's gonna get us. Yeah, I got her good. Ain't no way she's gonna get us. In case you don't know who Lola was, she's just a friend. She's just a pick. She's just a pick me girl that I'm friends with for some reason. I'm gonna call her a friend, but most of my friends that I have are friends with her, so. Oh, I'm cooking. We're cooking. Bro, what? He said in his old account he was level 50. I mean, I'm not saying he's bad, but it's fine. He hasn't played in a while. I don't blame him. It's over there? Oh. It's over here. Nice. Oh, I'm gonna go help him. I'm gonna follow the Beastie Boy. Mrs. Beastie Boy. Oh crap. Dude, why is she gonna get me? She sucks. Oh wait, no, I didn't mean to pull that up. Oh crap. Man, she sucks balls. Bro, get away from me, you sussy baka. Get away from me, you sussy wussy. Yeah, there ain't jack shit up there, idiot. Oh crap. Oh, she don't know, crap. Oh, she's stupid, isn't she? Oh, I escaped. Oh, she ain't gonna find me. That idiot. She almost got me. Let's go. We're cooking. Wee. Sorry I'm not talking much. It's like same. Hey, let's go. I mean, oh, why do I keep doing that? Did he already hack this one? Oh. Let's go, hurry up. Man, I see them down there. Oh, she didn't see me. She didn't see me. Dude, that idiot didn't even see me. She's as blind as a bat. Oh crap! If she sees me, how did she not see me? She even is as dumb as Lola, that pygmy girlfriend. She's even as dumb as Lola. What an idiot! Oh my god. We just got away. We just got away with it. I'm gonna have to end in like 20 seconds. Oh crap, did she see me? She better not have. Yes, yep.